Automatic Dispensing Balancing Machine. This equipment is designed to provide imbalance detection, imbalance correction, and deviation testing for rotors with an outer diameter of 20 to 60 mm and within 50 gram. This equipment is a fully automatic device, which is automatically loaded by the tray and transported through the transfer module. After being gripped by a robotic arm on the conveyor to be tested, the initial imbalance and deflection data detected. When the initial imbalance is within the set balance value, the product can be transferred by the flipping component and the balance angle rotating component. The balance angle can be accurately positioned. The blade will be corrected by adding glue to equal quality. After UV curing of the test product, an imbalance retest is required, and the minimum remaining imbalance of the rotor after balance correction is 1.5 mg according to the unbalanced state of the fan blades. UPH has a balance efficiency between 240 to 260 pieces, which is 80% to 150% higher than manual operation, and the balance effect is stable and controllable.